Joratan, these are some hotels, some OI hotels are there. And this now we are going towards Nimati Ghat, from where we will get steamer. And we will go, and now our car will also take rest because he is hungry or she is hungry. Now she will have some food. We'll pour some oil, and we are going towards Nimati Ghat. We'll take the car in the steamer. It costs rupees 700 one way. So, and I think per person ticket, whatever I've learned and come to know, it is 15 rupees. We are going to take 6 tickets because due to coronavirus, COVID-19, we will make a distance. So distance making, we are 3 here and 4 our driver will take all together. I will try to take 6 tickets. I do not know. I do not have the proper idea because the first time I'm going to Majuli Island for some special reason. I will not say now. So this is the way to steamer Ghat, that is Nimati Ghat. We'll go to Kamalabari Ghat, that is in Majuli, where I booked Dekasang Resort. Dekasang Resort will show. Now see the view of this Jorhat.
Hey friends, welcome to another travel vlog. Friends, do you remember our one of the vlog where we showed world's smallest river island, Umananda? But this time we are going to take you to the world's largest river island, Majuli. So stay with us.
This is a dhaba. This is the way to Nimati Ghat. We are nearest to Nimati Ghat. I think it is not so far.
এয়া আমি আহি পালো নিমাতী ঘাটলৈ। Guess what, friends? Now we are on the steamer and we all are stuck inside the car. Can you hear our heartbeats? Believe me, friends, we all were so frightened because on that steamer there were about 6 4-wheelers, near about 10 to 12 2-wheelers, and number of peoples were there, and we were just stuck inside the car. We thought we will be doing videography on the steamer just outside the car, but we were not allowed to sit or stand outside. যিখিনি সীমিত পৰিমাণৰ ল'ব লাগিছিলে তাতকৈ আচলতে কেপাচিটিতকৈ বেছি মানুহ লৈছে, যান বাহনো দৰকাৰতকৈ বেছি লৈছে। আমি যাব লাগে বাবে আমি সেইটো পাৰলৈকে যাম বাবে আমি এনেদৰে আহিছোঁ ঠিকেই, কিন্তু এইটো ক্ষেত্ৰত চৰকাৰৰ ফালৰ পৰা বিশেষ ব্যৱস্থা গ্ৰহণ কৰিব লাগে যে এইটো এনেধৰণে অভাৰলোডেড বা ইমানবোৰ মানুহ ইমানবোৰ যান বাহন লৈ এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ সৰু জাহাজ এখনত যোৱাটো সমীচীন নহয়। এইটো ক্ষেত্ৰত চৰকাৰৰ কটকটীয়া ব্যৱস্থা লোৱাটো উচিত বুলি ভাবোঁ, কাৰণ এওঁলোকে নিজৰ স্বাৰ্থত অৰ্থ লোভত তেওঁলোকে এনেধৰণৰ কাৰ্য কৰিছে। কিন্তু যিয়েই নহওক তাৰ মাজতে আমি এতিয়া মহাবাহু ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰৰ ওপৰত আমি আমাৰ গাড়ীৰ ভিতৰতে বহিছোঁ। ভাবিছিলোঁ গাড়ীৰ পৰা বাহিৰত ওলাই সুন্দৰকৈ আপোনালোকক চাৰিওফালৰ দৃশ্যাংশ দেখুৱাম, কিন্তু তেওঁলোকে ক'লে যে ইয়াত হেনো ভিডিঅ'গ্ৰাফি এলাউড নহয়, যিটো সম্পূৰ্ণ তেওঁলোকে মিছা মাতিলে। এইটো একেবাৰে সঁচা কথা নহয়। তেওঁলোকে তেওঁলোকৰ যিহেতু মানুহ দৰকাৰতকৈ বেছি লৈছে, মানুহ থিয় দিব পৰা নাই, পৰুৱাৰ দৰে মানুহ চাৰিওফালে আছে, গতিকে আমি আমাৰ গাড়ীৰ ভিতৰতে বহি আছোঁ আৰু গাড়ীৰ ভিতৰৰ পৰা আপোনালোকক দেখাবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিছোঁ। সেই যিটো আমি ভাবিছিলোঁ খুব সুন্দৰভাৱে আমি এনজয় কৰিম এই ৰাইডটো বা খুব ভাল লাগিব, তেনেকুৱা লগা নাই। যিয়েই নহওক আমি মাজুলীলৈ যাত্ৰা কৰি আছোঁ, জাহাজেৰে আমি গৈ আছোঁ। Finally we reached Komolabari Ghat at Majuli. Finally we have reached ahi palu ami Majuli aru eya ami asu prithibir sarbobryhot nodi dipot. It is the largest river island and you can see that bikes are going out. Kintu kobo mane sanghatik এই যিটো আমি অনুভৱ মাস্কখন এনেকৈ পিন্ধি লৈছোঁ, কোনো মানুহ নাথাকিলে কাৰণ খুব ধূলি উৰিছে, একদম মিশ্ৰিত অনুভৱ. ইট ইজ আ মিক্সড এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ, বাট আই মাষ্ট চে দেট দিছ ৱাজ এবছলিউটলি নট ডান. বুজি পাইছোঁ ৰাস মহোৎসৱ হয় আৰু ৰাসৰ বাবে মানুহ দুনুহ বাঢ়িছে, কিন্তু যি ধৰণে লৈ আহিছে ইয়াত ইমান ভিৰ আৰু ইমান সৰু এখন জাহাজত মানে ইমানবোৰ চাৰিচকীয়া গাড়ী, দুচকীয়া গাড়ী, মানুহৰ উভয় নদী এনেদৰে অহাটো একেবাৰে ৰিস্কি হৈ গৈছে. তেওঁলোকে একেবাৰে অভাৰলোড কৰি আনিছে আৰু সকলোৰে জীৱন কিন্তু বিপদত লৈহে, সকলোৰে জীৱন বিপদাপন্ন কৰিহে কিন্তু পাৰ হৈছে, which is absolutely not good. And I think that we definitely should raise our voice against it, and government should take initiatives, or they should raise the number of vehicles so that people can do their regular communication without any risk. So now we are at Majuli, and we are looking forward to the other things, and let's see what happens, how it goes. We are very much positive. আৰু ৰাস মহোৎসৱ চাবলৈ আহিছোঁ, সঁচাকৈ খুব ভাল লাগি আছে আৰু আশা কৰিছোঁ আপোনালোকক মাজুলীখন যিমান পাৰোঁ ভালদৰে দেখাবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম. আমি একেলগে ব'লক এতিয়া আমি আগবাঢ়ি যাওঁ. আমি এখন ৰিচৰ্ট আগতীয়াকৈ বুক কৰা হৈছে, ডেকাচাং বুলি, ডেকাচাং ৰিচৰ্ট. গতিকে আমি এতিয়া তালৈকে যাবলৈ ওলাইছোঁ, গতিকে ব'লক গৈ থাকোঁ.
আগে গেছে, হ্যাঁ
এই যে রাস্তা দিয়ে যাচ্ছি।
ডেকাচাং কিমান দূৰত আছে?
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা,
এন্ট্রিটা কোন দিক দিয়ে আগে? হোটেল এইটো কি নাম বুলি ক'লে This is the night view of Dekasang Resort. So romantic. It's looking nice. We are staying in the upstairs. This one. This. I'm showing you. This is our room. This is our room. And see, in front view, there are twin rooms are there. Some teachers from Tinsukia, they came and took their accommodation, and this is the front. Cars are parking here. Nice place. In front of the hotel there is river Brahmaputra. In this resort you cannot see because it is dark. The proprietor of this resort stays here. The proprietor stays here. Here people can sit. Here my mom is sitting here. Here they are sitting. Arrangement is there. And here tables are there to have lunch, dinner, tea, and there is a small place to have. See, you can have. This is a counter here. People are taking reservation counter, reserve. And here, this is a cottage. Here also you can have your lunch and dinner. This is the place where people can have lunch and dinner. And inside this door, that is the kitchen. And there are some tables and chairs. People are collecting money for room booking. And over telephone also you can book. Over telephone also you can book. And this is the place where drivers are having the accommodation. You can see the door is open. And there are several beds. These are dormitories. These are dormitories. You can see here drivers are taking accommodation. Some drivers are sleeping. See, this is a bamboo house. I think they are sleeping. See, drivers are taking accommodation. See, in the downstairs, this in the time of flood, these places here up to this area is full of water. So every year they used to color. Nothing is there. All the things they have to take upstairs and they have to color this place because this place is full of water up to this level. I think up to this level. Water. Nothing is there.